Hi guys, today I'm going to install Windows XP in VirtualBox. Let's see that if we can still use this OS in these modern days. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Open your browser and go to Get Into PC website and search for Windows XP. Go to the top one in the search results because it's latest one.
Basically, this is a modified version of Windows XP and it comes with pre installed apps and necessary drivers, so we don't have to struggle after installation. You can check the system requirements for this OS, click on download, and the password is 123 for this RAR file.
Okay, I've downloaded the file. Let's extract. After extracting, you can see the ISO file and some extra files and patches. Okay, now let's open VirtualBox. Click on New, enter your VM name, and select the ISO file from where you extracted it. Uncheck the Proceed with Unattended installation. Specify the hardware, like RAM and cores for CPU. I'll go with 2. And disk space about 20 GB. Click on Start. Okay. Press Enter to continue and F8 to agree license agreement. And select the disk space and wait for some time until installation is done. Okay, now it's installed and decompressing some files. Probably the pre-installed apps and drivers. Okay, click on Accept. Next. There's the welcome screen. These are the apps, codecs, and drivers that will install. We can see a browser, themes, and some tweaks, etc. Let's leave it as it is and click Submit. It's gonna take some time. Let's skip it. And it's done. And it will reboot. Okay. There's the welcome screen. Set up time zone and region. And we're good to go. Okay, in VirtualBox, for better display resolution, we need to install VM Guest Edition CD image in our VM. Let's install it and reboot. Okay, let's install Supermium browser. It is a browser based on Chromium and it still supports the Windows XP. Download the 32-bit setup file and install. Okay, now it's installed. Let's try YouTube and see how it runs. It stutters. Let's check the RAM usage. Okay, the RAM usage is fine, but the CPU is being utilized to the maximum despite being 2 core. For the final verdict, we can still use Windows XP for daily usage, like browsing web, and it can even run OpenOffice or MS Office 2006-2007 versions. The only thing that concerns me is the security, because it is too old and the security updates also stopped. So it is more prone to attacks like SMB, Active Directory, etc. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. And let me know if you want to try anything specific, like a Linux distro or some other Windows editions. Subscribe to Custom ROMs for more stuff like this. Thank you for watching.